Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate bilingual subtitles in CapCut Mobile. So I have this videos right here that I want to generate or add some subtitles into this video, but I want to make it a bilingual subtitles. And CapCut has the new bilingual subtitles feature that you can use. So here I'm going to just start by clicking on text and use the auto caption. Okay, so don't forget to select the main language for the first subtitles, which is English. I'm using English. Select the sound source, and here enable the bilingual caption by selecting the language for the secondary subtitles. So for example, here I'm going to just use or select let's try Korean, for example. Click on the Korean, go back. Oops. Okay, after that, just click on generate. Now CapCut will generate both of the captions. So after it's done, there will be two subtitles shown in the video like this. And if you want to change all of the captions, the style, for example, just click on one of the captions, go to style. Here I'm going to change it into this style, for example, and make sure that it applies to all of the outer caption. Click on the check icon, and this is the result. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.